In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel. It's pretty simple and easy. On your phone, navigate to your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome browser. On this interface, continue to tap on sign in and make sure you select the account that you desire to delete. In my case, it's Mubarick fake mail. So I'll proceed to tap on it and I'll continue to select it. Allow it a moment to finish loading. Now in the address bar, type studio.youtube.com and hit enter. So you land on an interface like this. Proceed to click on continue. So let me zoom it a little. So among the bunch of menus on the left, swipe down until you locate the settings gear here and tap on it. So a menu prompt will open with general channel. Proceed to click on channel, then continue to tap on advanced settings. And you can navigate here and scroll down until you locate remove YouTube content and tap on it. So this will land you on an interface like this. So you are prompted that your device will ask for your fingerprint, face or screen lock. So don't worry, since it's your device, you can verify this. So proceed to click on continue. In my case, I'm going to use my PIN. Allow it a moment. So you land on an interface like this. You'll be prompted whether you want to hide or delete your content from YouTube. So if you want to hide it, you can proceed to pick this option. But in our case, since we want to delete it, we'll continue to tap on this. Then make sure we tick these two boxes. After that, you proceed to click on delete my account. So your YouTube channel has been successfully deleted permanently. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.